Hi guys, morning, afternoon, good night. I don't even know when you're seeing this video, but anyways, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. I got a short one for you guys today. I need your advice, I need your help in figuring out what am I gonna do with this backyard of mine. Now I know that you guys you guys have like different talents, different expertise in fixing up different spaces and stuff like that. That is not our talent, that's not our gift. So I need you guys to just help me out with this one. So I'm gonna show you guys a picture of what my background is looking like, my backyard is looking like right now. Of course guys, it's warming up some. So spring is in full effect, so we shouldn't get any more snow. Shouldn't, operative word, because we can get snow anytime. But we shouldn't get any more snow until probably in October, November. So it's the planting season, you understand? So help me renovate my backyard, guys. Let me show you guys what it's looking like right now and give you guys a small tour. And I need you guys to just run into the comment section quickly and tell me what you suggest I could do to transform this backyard into like something that we can really have some fun with over the summer and probably get some few stuff planted and stuff like that. All right, so let me just show you guys what I'm working with. All right, yeah guys, so this is my backyard right now. Fairly crappy at the moment. We got that grass over there, but the grass is growing, so it's spreading. So pretty soon this bald patch that you guys are seeing right here, hopefully it shouldn't be there that much longer, because we got the grass and this is gonna spread, right? And then as you can see, we got some fresh one coming up right here, some fresh grass right there and stuff like that. So hopefully by the next few weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, I should have grass covering this entire area, and then I'll just get a lawnmower and cut it down. But that's as far as the idea that I have, guys. This is the space. This is the space that we're working with. It's a fairly big space, but it's just totally it's just underused, right? So of course, I know the summer is all about being outdoor and outdoor activities and stuff like that. But it's difficult to come outdoor and there's nothing to do. This is the other side at the backyard, guys. So this is what it looks like. So what I was thinking about using this side, because I actually have a door right here. I was thinking of using this side to kind of set up like a little table thingy, so we can do barbecue throughout the summer, right? That's what I was thinking about for this area right here. This tree is getting back its leaf, so in another few weeks this tree is gonna be like providing shade right here. And of course, I'm not see none of the pretty grass around that side here too tough, so around here to seem like it'll just be mostly dirt, and unless we decide to plant up some stuff, which I was thinking of, if we're gonna be planting in the veggies and stuff, to put it around this side. You get what I mean, guys? But we're totally out of ideas. Like it's such a wonderful space, but we don't know what to do. So asking for help in terms of like ideas, and any idea that you guys have that we can, you know, transform this space into something that is beautiful over the summer, that we can have some fun in our backyard, right? That's just an empty shed right there. I got some tools in there, nothing major, and just the grass, right? As you can see, guys, it's big but empty. So I don't know, need your help, guys. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do this video about, just to show you guys what my backyard is looking like, and ask you guys just for help in starting this out, because neither Nax nor myself, we are not the design type people. We don't really know how to fix up spots and transform spaces into, you know, different things. So we need your help. Yeah, guys, that's all I wanted to say to you guys this morning. So if you have any ideas, feel free to just throw it into the comment section. That would be really helpful. And in the same breath, guys, I just want to thank you guys for the love and the support that you guys been giving me and my family. The Canadians who are a part of our channel, thank you guys so much for welcoming us to this beautiful country. Persons who are watching from Grande Prairie, thank you guys for being so awesome. We absolutely love Grande Prairie. You guys make it a home, right? So just want to say thank you guys for all the love, all the support, all the encouragement, all the well wishes, guys. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, just leave a comment, support in any way you can, share 2 videos, it'll be greatly appreciated. All right, much love, guys, much appreciated. See you guys in the next video.